Morning. Yeah, it's a nice Thursday morning, and I just want to talk about a few matters here. First, maybe you have seen uh, the uh, the news about road rages, etc. And recently there was one which ended tragically. I won't discuss the details, but I just have one suggestion though that I think it's really very important that we carry to ourselves a certain humility. I want maybe patience is a little bit hard, but when a person is humble, uh, he or she would think first to understand people rather than choose to be understood, and that could save a lot of troubles. And being humble in situations uh, like those, or in any other crazy situations where you suffered from ridicule, hurt, etc., being humble will save a lot of trouble. And once you're done being humble, offer it to God, say a little prayer, remember your childhood, right? When you are with your parents, going to church, etc. All you want is happiness, like a child, right? Uh, Remember those times that you are a child, very happy child, and I think that would trigger a certain mentality that would change the situation. Again, be humble, guys. Thank you.